it's me, Fatima, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog, we're going to shower Zoe. Yeah, so is it easy, hard, difficult? What's going on inside the bath? So all of that you will witness with your own eyes. So before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, you can do it now, please. I'll be waiting. Yeah. You're done? Thank you so much. And also, share our videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell button so you will be updated in our upcoming videos. So without further ado, let's do our intro. As you know, we have a big dog. But now she's not yet a dog. She's still a puppy. She's now 7 months old. But she's already big. So you might think she's already a dog, but she's not. She's still a puppy. Yeah, if you see her, so you will think she's a dog, but not. So we have a Bearhees mountain dog, and a Bearhees mountain dog weighs from 40 to 45 kilos. Depends on the gender. So female one weighs up to 40 kilos and a male weighs up to 45 kilos. And we have a female. So I think now she weighs around 33 to 35 kilos, like that. So yeah, she's a big dog. She's a huge one. And I won't be able to do the showering alone. So I need the help of Tom. So let's start showering.
Chicken. Girl, Zoe.
Girl.
You get your own burger. Zoe?
No. No. Not yet. Wait lang. was so tough.
Yeah, but you did most of the work.
So difficult. Yeah. So yeah, by the way, the reason why I'm using face mask, I forgot to do it at first because of the fur. Yeah, mostly when you're doing the blow dry, there are lots of fur that's gonna float.
It would be seeing our floor now. It's full.
Yeah, as you saw, I did a footage, a bit of clip, how it turned out. There are lots of hairs everywhere. So yeah, this is what happens when you have a big dog and a furry one.
Yeah.
So,
And when you shower.
When you shower. So yeah, and also when you're using blow dry, keep that in mind that the floor is not wet, or like me, I do like put like a cloth where I can stand. So yeah, Lexi needs a distance. So cloth where you can stand that's not wet. So yeah, so to be safe, like that. So yeah, it was such a tough time, but yeah, I'm so happy that we did Zoe. So she's now clean. She's not yet totally dry because we don't really dry her that really dry.
It's impossible.
Yeah, it's also impossible like that. So, and we don't often shower her. Like, it's not every day. Sometimes we did like 2 to 3 weeks or 3 to 4 weeks before we shower her, because we learned from the person we bought Zoe that dogs are also like humans. Yeah, we have our natural oil in our hair that protects our hair, and they also have that. So that's why for them to produce their own protection for their hairs, their fur, so you don't need to wash them every day. That's one of the things that I did wrong before with my previous dogs. I always shower them because I thought it's the best thing to do, but I was wrong. So yeah, that's a tip that you can apply with your pups, your dogs, or I think also other animals. I'm not sure, but yeah, if you have a dog, you can apply that also. And
Thanks for watching. For what's sake.
I still have something to say though.
Oh, okay, sorry.
And also, I use shampoo, two different shampoos for the black and dark hairs and for white hairs. So we have for black and then a white. Because I watch several videos that they do the white hair separate because it really turns really white. So that's what we also do with Zoe, and it really works. So you can also try that if you have like a pup or a dog that has multicolor with white. So you can do it separately.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think I already said everything, so hope you enjoy it.
Yes. Thanks for watching.
We're all wet and we need to shower and also
clean more.
Clean. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Okay.
Always remember, keep safe and stay healthy because health is wealth. So see you in our next vlog. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos. And also don't forget or don't hesitate to leave a comment. So if you have something to say with this video or anything you want to ask or suggestions, or yeah, you can just leave a comment down below. So bye.
Bye.